Hi guys, I'm Haven. Welcome back to my channel. You can find me on OFTV at Haven TV. Today we're doing a challenge. I'm gonna be blindfolded, given 30 seconds to feel a random object, and then I have 45 seconds to paint it without looking at it, so I'm kind of nervous.
All right, we're gonna get her blindfolded for round number one. This is gonna be the easy mode.
Okay.
And you guys will be able to tell why it's easy when I give it to her. Let's tie this up real quick. Oh gosh, I don't wanna mess up your hair.
It's okay if you do.
All right, can you see anything?
Nope.
Make sure it's good, all right.
It's pitch black. Oh God, where's the, oh, am I supposed, oh goodness, am I supposed to be painting? Where's my paint?
Well, you'll take the blindfold off.
Oh, I'll take the blind.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
I gotcha. Okay.
All right. Let me get a timer ready. All right, and your time starts now. Easy. Easy number one.
Okay, we got
Make
some like
sure-
mason jar here. Is there something inside? Oh no, this is like nerve-wracking. Okay, there's nothing inside. Okay. I got, do I?
You don't even need the full 30 seconds for this one, all right.
I guess not,
You'll
okay.
need all that time later.
All right, take the object away from me so I can't see it. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, I have some paint on my palette here. We'll use this. Mason jar. Oh, we're gonna do a couple objects on this guy, so I'm gonna do my little mason jar over here. Usually they have some like logo on them. It can be a smiley face. Add the little ridges that, I don't know, the lid hooks together with.
You got 20
Do I need more time?
You got 20 seconds left. Whatever you can do.
We'll add some shadows over here. Oh, this is kind of pretty. Look at this green color.
Is that a little smiley face?
Yeah, it's like the logo. I don't know what logo it is, so.
4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. All right. You ready to see the object? All right, object number one.
Oh,
It says Mason on it.
wow.
Look at that. Great, all right, easy. Easy number one. Or you wanna
Does it look just like it?
the object? Pretty close. It's about to scale. It's about to size.
Wow.
That's nice, awesome.
All right, give
you
me
ready
that
for-
next bad
You ready
boy.
for round two? All right.
Here, you tie me up and.
I'm gonna have the timer ready. All right. Oop. Can't see?
Nope.
All right. Got your timer ready. I'm about to come back with object number two. All right. And your time starts
I'm so nervous.
now. So feel.
It's slippery. Okay, I think I know what it is. It sounds hollow. Okay, I think that confirms what I think it is. Okay, I think I have enough
You
time
don't
on
even
there.
need it. It's still easy enough. All right.
Yeah.
And wait a second. Let me move it out of the way. Don't take your blindfold off yet.
I won't. With this one, to make it more of a challenge, I'm gonna try to guess what color that was too. Let's see if I can do it.
And I'm gonna start your 45 seconds. Now. There you go.
All right. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it's a red pepper. Let's go.
Can't confirm or deny.
This little pepper guy, they look like this?
You already only got 25 seconds.
Oh, really?
left. Yeah.
That was 45?
Yeah.
Okay.
The second I took your blindfold off, it started. You gotta be ready to go.
Here's the tip. I used to paint a lot of peppers actually, so. I used to paint a lot of peppers and onions.
4, 3, 2, 1. Paintbrush down. All right.
Let's see, what
Ready for the
color was it?
reveal?
Oh my God, really? Oh my God, look at that!
She's good, guys. Look at her. She even did the right color. That's crazy.
Wild.
All right. Well, you're not gonna get this last one. So
Okay. I'm nervous
Just
to touch them.
Just be happy.
Like, what if you're putting some slimy stuff in? Oh my God, don't do that. All right, give me the third object. I'm ready.
One more blindfold. This is the expert mode. If you get this,
What do I win?
you win.
Do I get to eat the
You win a
pepper?
congratulations from me. All right, you can't see, right?
Nope.
This is where it really matters most. All right, are you ready?
No.
30 seconds now. You're gonna need it all, I think.
Is it a bunny?
Why would I tell you?
Is it a bunny? This feels like ears. And they do have something that sits in. I don't know what else it would be. If I guessed it right, that's gonna be crazy.
6, 5,
It's very,
4, 3, 2.
it has like a scruff here? Okay. Can I take it off? I don't want to see the object on accident.
We'll put it away.
You have it hidden?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, take the blindfold off.
All right, guys.
All
We're
right,
gonna
you're
paint the bunny.
you're gonna
Oh.
need the full 45 seconds for this one.
You ready?
And go.
Okay. Yellow bunny. What? Okay, the ears went back like this, I think. And we got the bunny face, and then he had like scruff, and then he had a big wooden body. Oh, wrong mason jar. And he was hollow, so we're gonna add a little. Guys, it's so hard to draw things when you're not looking at it. And I didn't really feel a bunny tail, but I'm assuming if he's a bunny, he has to have a tail.
15 seconds.
Oh, and these ears need to be a lot bigger. What is this?
6, 5.
This is literally the
4,
saddest looking
3,
bunny ever.
2.
It looks like a hot dog with mustard on it.
Well, we'll see.
What was
All right,
it?
you ready for the reveal?
I'm nervous. I
You're
wasn't
not
even
ready.
wearing my glasses. Was I wrong?
It's actually so funny.
What is that?
It's like a pelican.
Whoa!
It's so funny how you have the right shape. Show the painting.
I guess this was a bunny. It kind of,
Or you thought it was a bunny. You thought this was a bunny ear. You know what I mean? I can almost see it. And you got the reservoir, like the big.
and I really thought this
hole.
was like the bunny nose and the scruff.
You thought it was a bunny where the back turned
I
into
can see a bunny.
ball.
You guys know when you look at those pictures and you see something and then someone tells you what else it looks like and then you can't unsee it? Tell me it looks like a bunny.
Maybe if you really squint and don't think about it. Yeah. Well, that's pretty good. I mean, I think you nailed easy,
2 out of
medium,
3.
and hard.
What is that on a test? 2 out of 3.
66%. That's
that
like
passing?
a D. I think that's a D.
No, that's-
D's get degrees.
These get
So,
degrees.
Congrats. You passed.
I do
art.
have a degree.
This was your only art school test, and you passed.
Yay. Well, thanks for hanging out, guys. If you
This is
want
really
this
fun
beautiful
challenge.
picture, let me know. I took a lot of time doing it. Just kidding. Thanks for hanging out, guys. This was really fun. I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. It really helps my channel. But until next time, see you guys.
See ya.